Hello kids, my name is Miss Morzaya Devanshi and I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today, what we are going to do? We are going to begin with a topic which is called the words that are confusing to you, the words that confuse you, right? So there are few words that confuse us in the daily basis, right? So which are they? These words, what are they all about? We are going to learn them, right? So today we are going to see that and understand the meaning of different words so that you are able to understand it clearly when the words appear to you in your textbooks, in your daily routine, when someone is talking to you and what not. Right? So you will be all confused. Which words is Didi talking about? Which words are there that I am talking about? किस वर्ड्स के बारे में दीदी बात कर रहे हैं, किस वर्ड्स के बारे में दीदी पूछ रहे हैं, आपको वो कंफ्यूजन होगा, राइट? सो द वर्ड्स दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज, राइट, इफ आई एम सेइंग द वर्ड टू and two, all of them sounds the same, they are sounding exactly the same, but here this two means number two, this two means that I want to go, it is a desire, right? And this two means me too, I also want to do that. So all of these are having different meaning, right? So these are called different words that confuse you, right? So if I am also giving you few examples, another example is no and no, right? Here that is no means not going to happen, and here no means to have information about something. So these are the words that are confusing to you, right? Now these are the words that confuse you. We have learned them in homophones, right? These are called homophones, which are sounding the same but are having different meaning. ये words के sounds जो है वो same है पर उनके meaning जो है वो different है. But when we are talking about the things such as you, your and you are. Here you means आप, तुम, right? Your means तुम्हारा, या your means this is yours, ये तुम्हारा है. You are a good boy, you are a smart boy. So here all of these are having different meanings as well. You are a good boy, your bag is very heavy, right? You are a smart boy. So here all of these will be have a different meaning. You, your, you are, right? So there will be a difference. So you all need to understand that as well. Here if I am talking about Sia, so if I have written it like this, Sia's. So सिया के घर में कोई चोर आया है, राइट? Sia's pencil is short. That means सिया की पेंसिल जो है वो शॉर्ट है. So here that implies it is hers, उसका है, ये जताता है, right? Sia's pencil is short. Now if I am writing Ram's house is big, right? What will I say? Ram's house is big means राम का घर जो है वो बड़ा है. Now if it is like that, now it would be meaning train के engine strong होते हैं, at the same time train plural में हो जाएगा, right? trains मतलब trains के engine जो है वो strong होते हैं, तो S के इस साइड अगर हो तो वो plural भी बन जाता है और इस साइड हो तो वो singular रहता है. Now if I am talking about singular and plural, singular मतलब एक और plural मतलब more than one. Singular मतलब one and plural मतलब more than one. Pen, pencils. Sorry, pen, pens. Pencil, pencils. Person, people. Child, children. So ये सारे examples किस चीज के हैं? Singular and plural के हैं. Right? So I hope you all are thorough with that also. So these are the words that are confusing us. So we are going to look into some more of them. So let's see which are they. Let's understand them. So kids, as we have seen few of the examples before and we have introduced the topic, we are now going to see some few examples with the help of which you will be much more clear with the confusing words. Right? So the first one is desert and desert. Right? So this is the word that I have seen most of the people fumbling on. Right? कई सारे लोगों को इस चीज में confusion होता ही है. The first one, dessert, is the one that we eat after dinner, something sweet, and dessert is the one that is a sandy area where there is absence of water. पूरा सैंड से भरा हुआ होता है, राइट? આપણે લોકો કહે ને રન ઓફ કચ્છ છે, then these Rajasthan, these are the places that is called desert, right? So dessert is the one that we have after dinner, something sweet, right? Cake, pastry, gulab jamun, ये सारी चीजें जब हम खाते हैं, that is something sweet we eat. And this one is a dry area where it is very hot. So that is the confusion that always occurs. So we need to take care that we are not fumbling up on the same. The meanings of these words should be clear, right? This and this, these are also the words that confuse people, right? If I am talking about this, that means I am talking about this thing. These मतलब ये सारे, this मतलब this particular thing, right? This and these are also the word that confuse people a lot. If I am telling this is a black marker, then I am talking about particularly this marker. But if I am having multiple markers, means more than one marker in my hand, I will say these. More than one will go to these. These are my markers. So you should also have the clarity of that as well. So this means we are talking about only one thing, and these we are talking about more than one. That should be clear in your. Okay, so the next one is except and except. Yeah, these sound similar, almost the same, but this one is स्वीकार लेना, कोई भी चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर लेना. आई एक्सेप्ट योर प्रपोजल, जो आपने प्रपोजल दिया है वो स्वीकार लिया है हमने. सो दिस इज हैविंग टू एक्सेप्ट समथिंग, स्वीकार लेना. एंड दिस वन इज उसके अलावा, राइट? आई लाइक एवरीथिंग एक्सेप्ट फॉर चीज. चीज के अलावा सारी चीजें मुझे पसंद है, राइट? तो इसके अलावा वाले जो कंडीशन देता है वो ये वाला एक्सेप्ट है, right? So these are the similar words that will confuse you a lot, but you need to tell the difference with the help of the spelling. When you are reading something, you will know the difference. You will know that this except means svikarna and this except means uske alawa, right? There is a difference of spelling which should help you to understand the meaning properly, right? And your sentence will be also the one who will help you to judge out if someone is speaking a sentence, so you will also be able to figure out which except they are talking about. with the help of the other words that are supporting. If Didi is saying, I accept all the requests from my students, that means मैं इस वाले accept की बात कर रही हूँ. I like to go out except for in rainy season. So मैं इसकी बात कर रही हूँ. So you will be able to figure out which word I am talking about with the help of the other supporting words that are in the sentence. Sentence में जो दूसरे words है उसकी हेल्प से आप लोग फिगर आउट कर पाएंगे कि किस चीज के बारे में एक्चुअली बात हो रही है. बट द मेन की इज यू शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस फर्स्ट. आपको डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता होगा तो आपको वर्ड समझने में तकलीफ होगी. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी आर आल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिफरेंस हियर. आई होप यू आर प्रीटी मच क्लियर विद द सेम, राइट? हियर द नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स आर देयर एंड देयर. Right? There means वहाँ and there means उनका. Their son is very naughty. That means उनका जो बेटा है वो बहुत naughty है. Right? So there means उनका and there means वहाँ. Right? There is a sunset point there. Okay? So you should be able to figure out the word meaning with the help of the supporting words in the sentence. But here you should be able to know the meaning. There means wahan, there means unka. Now when we are talking about there, we would be talking about multiple people, right? Their house, their son, right? Their pet. So unka कोई एक पर्सन का वो चीज हो सकता नहीं है, right? Okay, so we have done all these words. Now the next one is principle and principle, right? Here principle means our ethics, our rules which we have set, and here principle means the head of the school. So it is also confusing. Here the spelling is different, so you will be able to figure it out. Many of the kids are being confused in the writing of the spelling of principal when they are writing about their school and they are writing about something, right? So you should be able to remember it as a principal, P-A-L, right? So you would be able to figure it out. But when you are speaking, you need to take care that you are speaking principal only, right? So the principle here we are talking about is ethics. Ethics are the things which is very important in a human's life. My ethics is I would not do anything bad with anyone. That is my personal rule, my ethic, right? In the same way, you should also have your personal rule, set of rules that you are never going to do, right? I will not ever hurt anyone. I will not beat anyone. These are the things that you can decide for yourself, and that can be your principle, right? So that is the difference you all need to remember, and I want you all to build your own ethics. दीदी को चाहिए कि आप लोग अभी से small ethical चीजें जो है वो सीख सकते हैं. कौन कौन से ethical चीजें हैं जो आपको अपने माइंड में रखनी चाहिए? विचार दें. I will never lie. I will never say a lie. I will not beat anyone. मैं किसी को मारूंगा नहीं. I will not talk to anyone with disrespect. गंदी तरह से किसी से बात नहीं करूँगा. So these are the principles that are very much important. As we have learned from very early age, we are supposed to be talking with everyone with good respect. हमें सभी लोगों से अच्छे से ही बात करनी है, whether they are small or they are big. That is the difference that we need to create, right? सब लोग क्या सिखाते हैं? बड़े लोगों से बहुत अच्छे से बात करनी चाहिए. But here we are the one who are bringing the change. Who will do what? Talk to everyone with good respect and kindly. You can also build a principle which says I will help everyone. सभी को help करेंगे. That is also a good principle to have. So these are the things that are important in your academics as well as these are the things that are important in your personal life as well. आपकी personal life में ये सारी चीजें जो है वो होनी ही चाहिए, and it will lead you to become a best person that you already are. Right? Affect and effect. Now, affect means change, right? And effect is the result of that change. Here there is a confusion that is occurring a lot. Affect is the change and effect is the result of that change. We can say change आया उसको affect कहते हैं और उसके द्वारा जो result हुआ उसे effect कहते हैं. Right now coronavirus would be affect and the results that we are facing, that is effects of coronavirus. So that is the thing we need to be very much clear of. Right? So in this session we have learned multiple words that are super confusing to us. ऐसे और भी कई सारे words हैं जो हमें confuse करते हैं. You also need to understand the use of apostrophe, as we have learned before that it is a thing that is confusing people a lot. Especially I see people confused between you are and your a lot. Your means आपका and you are is the thing that we use in a sentence. तुम ऐसे हो ऐसा बोलते हैं तो हम लोग you are बोलेंगे. Right? Okay, so kids, in this session we have learned about the words that are super confusing to us. Right? In your worksheet, what you are going to do is you are supposed to be writing any 3 words, right? The pair of 3 words that are confusing to you, and then you are supposed to be writing it, using it in the sentence. दोनों words को आपको sentence में frame करना है और आपको 3 pairs, मतलब this is a pair. When we are talking about 2 things, it is a pair, right? Pair of shoes. तो वो 2 होते हैं. That's why it is called a pair. So that is the thing that you need to remember. You need to write 3 pairs of words. You need to write, use them in the sentence, and that will be the homework of today. Right? There are so many confusing words that are there. I want you all to figure it out. These are the words you can use. At the same time, you can find out न्यू वन एज वेल. अब नए वर्ड्स जो है वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं. पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल्स जो दीदी ने दिए हैं वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. टू वाला, राइट, और योर वाला. सो दैट इज द थिंग दैट यू कैन यूज एज वेल. और नए एकदम नए वाले वर्ड्स भी आप लोग अपनी वर्कशीट में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड में अराइज वेयर वी आर सपोज्ड टू बी डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ये वर्क हमें करना किस चीज में है? You are supposed to be doing it in your rough book. As I have said, we need to put a part, and then in the second half of the part, you need to write down your ELA stuff, right? English Learning Arts. So, second part जो आपने किया है अपनी बुक में, उसमें आप लोगों को अपना होमवर्क करना है. Where? In your rough book, right? I hope you all are clear with these meaning at least. So, now you will be able to tell a difference between these words. So kids, this was the lecture in which we learned super confusing words. So until we are seeing each other next time, what we are going to say? We are going to say bye.